my channel. Today what we are going to discuss instrumentation amplifier by using IC741. So before we are going to do this design, so what are the components we need? Please let me discuss. Microprocessor power supply, the normal DC regulated power supply, and ASLK analog system lab trainer kit, and one more device, digital multimeter we need. So with the help of this instrumentation amplifier, students they can able to know that. So what is the difference between the voltage? So they may able to know that difference voltage. They may able to know that whether operational amplifier, whether the operational amplifier is going to work differential amplifier or not. Here we are going to give two input voltages, V1, V2. So with the help of these experiments, students they may able to know that this operational amplifier will do differential operation or not. They will check it. They will verify. Okay, so as per the circuit diagram, I made the design. As per the curriculum, I made the design. Here we are going to use 3 operational amplifier. So 1, 2 and 3 operational amplifier. So here in the as per the circuit diagram, in the loop, we never use any resistor and capacitor, so that I am using unity gain section. And for output amplifier, I am using one more amplifier, that is I am using non-inverting amplifier section I am using. So from output to, what I am doing here, what I did already, I did some design. So from output to negative terminal, we need to make a loop. Same bottom of the operation amplifier, here I made it from output to negative amplifier, we needed to make a loop. Also power supply V1, so power supply negative terminal need to make a ground connection. Also second junction, it has a dual mode power supply. It is a dual mode power supply, or we used to say it is a regulated power supply. We used to assume this is V1 and this is V2. So we can assume that it depends upon your willing. We can assume this is V2 and this is V1. That is your wish. Okay, positive terminal of this power supply from V1 and V2, we needed to make connection to first operational amplifier and second operational amplifier of, first operational amplifier, we need to give the power supply to positive terminal. Second terminal of the power supply, it need to give positive terminal of the operational amplifier, we need to give. Here positive terminal, here also positive terminal. Okay, students, see here next connection from output of the first unity gain amplifier, we needed to make a connection from first operational amplifier into output of output operational amplifier is there, no? So in that we needed to make in 2 kilo ohm resistance, we needed to make a connectivity from first operational amplifier into output operational amplifier. Also from output operational amplifier into loop, we needed to create one loop. This yellow color wire is there, no? From output operational amplifier output loop to, from output section into we needed to make a connection to inverting terminal of 1 kilo ohm resistance. I made a connections. Okay, the next from bottom, in output operational amplifier, in this non-inverting terminal we have resistors as well as capacitors. Here make from 1 kilo ohm resistance to ground, so that resistance another end need to connect into positive terminal. Also one more 1 kilo ohm resistance need to take a connection from this positive terminal of this 1 kilo ohm resistance and need to move on to second operational amplifier of unity gain section. Okay, students, is it clear? So this is design of instrumentation amplifier. So already we have a digital multimeter. Before we are going to switch it on this entire setups. So please one more instruction for the students. In digital multimeter we needed to keep voltage as a DC mode. So we have to keep voltage no bus DC mode. We have to keep DC mode. So once we switch it on, whether there is a no bus available in the DC mode or not, we have to verify. Okay, listen, one more important point for students' point of view. Here this black color which indicate a negative terminal, positive color which indicate, positive probe which indicate, what is that? Red color which indicate positive. Red color which indicate positive terminal, black color which indicate negative terminal. So now I am going to switch it on these experiments. So I just switch it on. Right. First we have to switch it on this power supply. Next we have to switch it on the regulated power supply. Okay, students, and then the digital multimeter I switch it on. So here in V1 I kept 4.2 volt, I kept 4.2 voltage DC voltage I set. For V2 I kept 3.1 voltage already I set. Okay, so wherever you are going to do the any experiments, see the current value should be in the front panel of this front panel of this regulated power supply. See this what is it? We have two switches. No, one is what is it? Voltage variation. Another one is a current variation. Current value should be always maximum position. So if it is maximum position, you never get over voltage signal. You never get over voltage indication, students. Very most important point. Okay, always this current position should be maximum. Voltage position should be minimum condition. This is initial procedure how to operate power supply. Okay, now I am going to verify. So whether see negative terminal of the digital multimeter, I am going to make ground connection. Okay, students. Positive terminal of the digital multimeter, I am going to make connectivity across output terminal of the amplifier. See here, so we are getting the output amplifier. See, we are getting the signal 7.9. We are getting 7.9. We are getting the output voltage, output DC voltage. See, according to our design, here we given 4.2 voltage. Here we have a 3.0 volt. So 4 minus, see what is the formula for that? What is the formula for instrumentation amplifier? V0 equal to, so V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1 1 plus 2 R2 by R1, that is a formula. So in that formula we are going to apply this V1 value and V2 value. After calculating the value, we will get some sort of answers. But according to this practical, we are getting the value. See students, we are getting the value. So 7.9. I mean approximately 8 volt we are getting. Okay, right? So this is the actual answer for instrumentation amplifier by using IC741. I mean by using operational amplifier. So what you want to understood with the help of this instrumentation amplifier, by using instrumentation amplifier, students they can able to know that the operational amplifier is performing the difference, performing subtraction operation. So instrumentation amplifier is act as a subtractor. We can say subtractor. Why? Because we are giving 2 volt, no. So V1 and V2 we are giving, it will do differential operation. So that we used to say this is a differential amplifier, or otherwise we can say operational amplifier is act as a subtractor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. So if you like my video, please kindly follow and like and share my video to your friends. Thank you for watching.